Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a few things. First, Charlie, come here. This is Charlie. Come here, up, come here, up. Come on, Charlie, up, come on, Charlie. Oh, I'm sorry, here, let's go with Diesel first. This is Diesel. And down here, I'm not sure if you can see her or not. Come on, Charlie, up. There she is. That's Charlie. Today I need to show you how much damage Diesel can do to a ball, because a few weeks ago this was just a regular softball and now it's torn to shreds. I'm trying to get you guys the closest picture as I can. I'll show you how I play with them with it. Diesel! Diesel. This is Charlie. This is Charlie. Diesel, come here. Diesel, up. Pop. Here, let's do it here. Diesel. Pop. Diesel. Hey. Sorry. He tried me with it. As you can tell, my channel's not that old. He's sit. Talk. Diesel. Lie down. Up. 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 Right. I have a feeling you're missing birthday on top out soon. So I'll leave you to him. And I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, well, I'm back. I figured I'd show you what leash I use on Diesel, since he's my main person today. It's like a 2-foot long leash. I sometimes use one on Charlie as well for when I'm dog training her, for the dog show I might be entering her in this year. Diesel is still a puppy in this category, so he won't be competing this year, maybe next year. Duh. I forgot. Sorry about that. This is repellent spray we use on them. It's got different herbs and everything. It kind of basically keeps the bugs off of them. So in my next video I'll show you how that works, because we've had a lot of pictures on. Diesel, can you come here? Diesel, come. Diesel, sit. Oh, here. If you own a dog, you should try and make sure you have one of these in your house, because it's always a good idea to have. Doesn't mean that your dog needs one, but you should always have one around. It's a choke collar. It doesn't really choke the dog. It more pinches a nerve up in their neck that triggers them that they're doing something wrong. Or not even wrong. It just gives you more control over your dog. So, yeah. This is the one we use in Diesel. It's got a clip. And I'll show you how to put it together. You see this little hole? You put this through. And then you clip it. Another thing that, if you have an open backyard, you want to make sure you have a strong lead. This one actually has been torn apart by Diesel. We actually have like 3 or 4 of them. This is because he's attached to one right now. you want to make sure it's one of the ones that you can just go like this, and not one of the ones you have to pull out, because those ones can be a pain in the butt in the winter. So, that's enough. This is all for today. I'm doing a segment called Puppet Pals. So if you want to join that, yeah, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button below. Thanks. Bye.